Here we are at Taj Exotica Goa, which is 27 kilometers from Goa International Airport. It's a 45 minutes ride. It's a beautiful ride. It is actually spread across 56 acres of land and which is surrounded by the Arabian Sea. This resort is made in kind of Mediterranean style. You would get the old Portuguese Goa culture over here when you see the restaurants and the indoors, the rooms and all. You'll feel that. This is beautiful because of the lush greenery which is there. The other reason is it is surrounded by the private beach, right? So it has 800 meters of private beach area which no other person can enter other than the private residents. This is beautiful because of the fact that they have 3 restaurants. One of them is actually a shack which is operating almost 24 hours. It closes at 4 a.m. and it's beautiful because it's just beside the beach. This is having 140 rooms, which is like 5-6 categories of rooms. Villa room, which is starting at 48,000 plus tax. It goes to the premium villa, which is 52,000 plus tax. Then it has your indulgence pool villa where we are staying, which is almost like 97,000 plus tax. Then they have the suite categories, the executive suite, which is around 1,10,000 plus tax, and then the luxury suite, which is 1,20,000 plus tax. So you can choose whatever based on your budget, but it's beautiful because the place where I'm staying is the only room category which has a private pool. I chose it because of my kids, because we are celebrating Christmas and New Year here, and kids love pool, so which is why. The climate is quite pleasant now because of the winter. So in the night it gets little breezy, but otherwise it's sunny like you can see. Other than that, it has kids activity area which is called the Taj Kids, which keep the kids occupied with all the art and craft activities. They also, I saw they have this swing and outdoor play area as well. They also have some games which is on a chargeable basis. The beach operates 24/7, but they kind of close it after 8 p.m. if you need to take their permission to go because for the safety reasons. The bar is 24/7 operational, and the in-room dining is also in 24/7 operational. Coming to the spa, they also have a spa, steam and sauna. They also have a common pool for the other residents. So yeah, in short, I like the property because the food is amazing. The North Indian dishes like sweets are amazing. They also have the baby cot and stroller if you ask them for the infants, and they give you baby food if you ask them on request. So in short, a 5-star to this resort because I'm really enjoying my holiday here. Here we are standing at the entrance of Taj Exotica. Here is the entrance to the lobby, and if you're coming with your private car, here we have a huge space for the car parking as well. So here we are at the main entrance to the lobby. This is basically we have come for the Christmas time, which is why the entire resort has been decorated with the Christmas theme. We have all sorts of Christmas tree, jingle bells, then you have the snowman, a lot of beautiful decoration items which is for the Christmas. And in the evening, the entire resort has been lit up with lights, which is like for the New Year, pre-New Year and Christmas celebration. It looks beautiful in the evening. And they also have this, when they welcome you in a very different style. As you can see, the gentleman over here, he'll sing a song and they will welcome you this way, and you will see my welcome video in the later part of the video. And they also beautiful, right? This is like wonderful. So this is a lobby area where your main check-in happens. They welcome you over here with the kokum juice, lemon juice and Heineken beer, which is missing right now because the check-ins are done. And as I mentioned, their entire resort is being decorated with the Christmas theme. You can see the huge Christmas tree here. It's beautiful, right? They have the small Santa Claus and then a lot of other stars and decorative items. So looks beautiful, right? Before I take you to the room tour, I want to tell you the rate that I had paid for the gateway. It's 2.5 lakh, which includes everything, the taxes and all the meals, the high tea and also the cocktail hours. But I'm still happy, as you can see, because the tour will tell you. Let me show you. Come. So this is a huge area where you can keep the luggage. It's sufficient for actually 4 of us. We have 2 kids with us. And this is a little messed up because it's been 2 days we are staying. This is the bathroom area. It is separated out. There's a huge bathtub inside the bathroom, and it's really amazing. And they have a shower place as well. They have the toilet, which is separated out here, and then they have 2 wash basins. So it's quite a spacious washroom. Here is some nice decorative bamboo sticks and nice area to kind of have a free space here. There's a study table, huge study table, and then they have created a sand mini sand creature kind of beautiful place. I like it a lot. That's why I'm showing you this. They have a study lamp and then nice charger place where you can charge your phones, which gets missing in a lot of the 5 stars. Then there is a huge tea place, which is my favorite. I would like to open and show you this. Amazing, right? So this is chargeable, of course, but this is your free, tea and coffee space, which is nice and spacious. And then they have some dry fruits, which is again on chargeable basis. They give you this on a complimentary basis, nice dry fruits and some snacks and fruits. And then they place, sorry, we have eaten a lot of it, some sesame and chickies. Then there's a sofa for sit out. And then there is a huge bed, which is enough for 3 of us to kind of sleep. It's kind of huge king bed. And then look at this. Amazing, right? This is a special surprise for this little one who is right now getting a little cranky because not getting attention. And then there is a nice private bed for him, which he really enjoyed last night. And then I'll take you to the biggest surprise. So they have a huge pool, which is why I call it huge. So many times they promise it's a pool villa, but it's a very small plunge pool. But this is really a nice, spacious pool, which has a nice flow of water there. And look at her, how beautifully she's enjoying. And it's quite a lot of a spacious area. They have 2 sunbeds there. Me and my husband have good time, and these people are having their dip in pool. And then we have a tea place over here. I enjoyed my morning tea here. It was good. And the back end of the pool is also very nice. It's quite spacious, and as you can see, the back side of it, there's a lot of lush greenery. And here you can sit and enjoy looking at the kids. And then you have a private bath area. So before and after the pool, you can have a bath here. So this is about the room. I love it. There are lights over here in the evening. If you want to have, if you want to dip into the water, there is no fear. There is enough lighting for you. And I just love the room. So here we are in Sala de Pranzo, which is one of the restaurants, 3 restaurants that they have in Taj Exotica. Outside this, they have made the list of activities, which is there for the day. I have already had quite a few meals here, which I haven't captured the video, so I took the opportunity to show you guys what's in there. So let's see the lunch buffet now. However, there are less people, so it's possible for us to explore more dishes. We'll start with the fruits here. They have assorted fruits, which is here, and then there are some sort of, the salads. As you can see, the non-veg salads. And over here, there are pickles. You can see the jalapenos, your cherry tomatoes, and all of other dips that you have. Then they have the the veggie salads over here, and the dried fruits, and as you can see, the made salad which is there. And they start with the soup here. Today they have the green peas and mint soup. So every day they have one veg and non-veg soup, and the sorted veggies, and then they have the jalapeno and cheese and pandas, paneer peri peri, this curry pakodi. Wow, looks delicious. They have rajma rasila. Wow, it looks really yummy. Jeera onion pulao, and the regular steamed rice. So, by the way, it's one amazing thing which you will not see in the spread, but it is hidden, sort of thing, which is the pizza for all of us. Okay, so they have the Szechuan vegetable. I'm going to try this. This is looking yummy. Soya bean and stirred fried vegetable to go with the noodles. They have the Bangala Dumpa Vepadu. I don't know what's this, but it looks like potatoes, baby potatoes. Something I want to try. And this is confit bialdi. For the non-vegetarians, there is chili fish, chili kathi roll, chicken kathi roll. I'm sorry, chicken kaffriel. I'm a vegetarian. Sorry, I have less knowledge on all of this. Mutton pepper fry. Then there is kalonji fish curry for all the fish lovers. This looks delicious, though I can't try it. And as I said, they have two soups. There is one more which is here for the murg dhania shorba for the non-vegetarians. Yeah, this is my favorite part. I think for all of us, which is the bakery and sweet, desserts area. It starts with a lot of cakes and pastries, and as I said, the sweets are delicious here. Gulab jamun. The North Indian sweets are more amazing. The kiwi pudding, and you can see the burfis, the rasgulla, and wow, they have gunjia today. So yeah, they also have assorted ice creams. They are really, really amazing ice creams. It's not the packaged ones. You really make it in house, and they are delicious. Trust me. So here's the soup and starters for the day. Nice, it's a green peas and mint soup, which is very yummy. And here are the starters, which is the cheese and paneer pockets. Let's try it. This is nice. We'll try the chili paneer. This so-so. So rate per head is 3,000 plus tax. So for that rate, it's once in a while it's okay, but it's not that very super delicious. So if you have an infant and you're traveling with him, you don't have to worry. They have mashed bananas, mashed apple puree, and a lot of khichdi and other stuff that you can give for your kids. And he's enjoying his food, right, Krishna? You're enjoying your food? He's hungry. So let me have a taste on the pizza and pasta over here. Looks yummy. It's very tasty. Trust me, it's really yummy. I loved it. Let's try the pasta. Pasta is also nice. Not the best, but pizza is really best. So here we have the khichdi, boiled egg, and some curds for the infant, my baby. And part of the main course again for me. We tried curry and chawal. Now we are trying the paneer pasanda, butter naan, some pulao, and the baby potato curry. That specific name I don't remember. So let's try it. Little tangy, but it's okay. Not that great, honestly. I'm excited to try this dum aloo kind of dish. What is this? I don't know. This is amazing. It's spicy. Some black pepper spice. But it's tasty. Better than the paneer. Okay, here I'm at the main course. As I said, I wanted to try the curry chawal. I love it anyways. But let's see it, how they have prepared. It's really yummy. They made the curry pakoda, which is very tasty. The authentic Gujarati and Rajasthani style. Let's try the bhindi curry. Yeah, typically homemade style. It's very tasty. So these are the desserts. Baklava is very tasty. It's proper authentic Middle East kind of a taste. The mud pie. It's very tasty. Let's try this burfi. It's orange burfi. It's also very tasty. So I'll give a 5 star to the desserts. And we have a dinner planned, which is a pre-Christmas Eve gala dinner. I'll post some videos on that as well. So here we are at Taj Kids, which starts at 10 a.m. and operates till 6:30 p.m. It has a lot of art and craft activities, which is by paper, a lot of coloring activities for the kids. From infants to toddlers can have a lot of great fun time. Today they made some sort of a snowman with paper and a jingle bell kind of thing for the Christmas tree. It was wonderful, and they also keep the kids occupied with coloring and, as I said, a lot of other paper activities. There is also a ball kind of thing with which infants can enjoy with a lot of balls inside the place. Just opposite to the Taj Kids, they have the theme park, which has a lot of rides, from small to medium rides, which is enough to keep the toddlers occupied while the parents are having good time. And it is operating 24 by 7, unless you want your kids to be away from mosquitoes. It's fun. So coming to the chargeable activities, we have the foosball here, which is amazing. They have the table tennis, and there is also pottery making, which uh, which works from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. You can these are all chargeable, right? And they have this arcade games here, which is like 1,000 rupees for 6 coins. For now, for Christmas offer, they're giving you 8 coins, by the way. So this is about the activity area. So this is a huge chessboard, as you can see. You get an amazing feeling to play, with your kids and your loved ones. Chess game over here. At the background, you can see the huge lawn over here. It has lush greenery, which you can see. It feels really amazing to walk around, and they also provide you cycles, by the way, which is on a compliment basis. So you can have a cycle ride around the lawn and have a good time. And at the back end is the private beach area. I'm sure my camera will not be able to capture the beautiful view, but you have a private beach that side at the back. As I was showing you the chess area and the lawn, there are other stuffs that you have in the lawn area, the golf and the cycles. As I mentioned, it is on a complimentary basis, the tennis. And there is a common pool as well over here, which has a bar attached to it. So while having a dip in the pool, you can enjoy your margaritas in the evening, and it's fun there. This is a bar. Nice. So from the beach, from here you can see the beach as well while dipping into the pool. So that's an amazing view in the common pool area, which by the way we don't get in our indulgence pool villa, which is why we sometimes come here also. I'm sure everyone likes board games, right? So Taj Exotica has board games in a huge size. They have this wooden chain Jenga, which we played since childhood. They have this XNO, the Giant Connect 4. As you can see here, all these games are being there, placed in the lawn area. And my favorite since childhood, the snakes and ladders. That is also there in a huge size. I played this couple of times with my little ones. This is amazing, right? Good stuff. And they also have a sit out area over here, which is quite peaceful, enjoying the beach view, sitting over here, sipping on a margarita or tea, whichever you prefer. It's a nice feel here. So now we are at a place which is decorated beautifully. I don't know how much justice this video is doing to the decoration which is done, but it's really, really beautiful. It takes back you to the, old, the dashing through the snow kind of Christmas era. And this is really wonderful for the kids. You don't have to go to your New York or America to kind of feel the Christmas vibe. This place really gives you that. So they also have in the evening the lamp lit up thing which is done here near the decoration. It looks beautiful in the evening because all the lights over here are lit up in the evening, and it really, as I said, gives you the Christmas vibes. Now I'm gonna take you to the place which is, so far we spoke about the kids. Now I'm gonna take you to the place which is my husband's favorite, the snooker table and the pool. And they also have this chess. So it's nice, peaceful place over here. You can have a nice time enjoying your, snooker and play chess with your loved ones. It's nice. In the lobby area, they also have shops like you can see at my back end, the jewelry shop. There is also clothing and apparel shop. There is also souvenir shop on the lobby which you can take for your loved ones while you go from Goa. So I'm getting ready for the Christmas party which is happening today at the resort. This dinner is specially for the Christmas Eve. I'm really excited about it. It turned out to be a little expensive. Let's see what's in store for us for tonight. So here we are at the Christmas dinner place. You won't believe the view from here. It's looking incredibly beautiful. The entire resort has been lit up with lights. It looks like we are in heaven with beautiful stars around. I can already feel the Christmas vibe with the decoration. I mean, I haven't seen a beautiful, decoration done in any of the Christmas parties I have attended before. So I'm really excited about it. The entrance and the very feeling of the start of the dinner feels so amazing. I don't know what's in store there inside. So uh, I can already see the lobster village being decorated so beautifully with a Christmas theme. I can see the stars, the Christmas tree, and a lot of lights over here. I'm gonna have my dinner here with my family tonight, and the rates are around 10,000 plus tax that I paid. Little bit on the expensive side, but I think it's gonna be worth it looking at the view right now. So I'm super excited, and I'm gonna share more updates on how it's from inside. So here we are at the Lobster Village restaurant, and look at the view from here. At the right side, there is the beach under the moon and stars and this beautiful decoration and this sparkling wine. I'm just loving it. As I said, I was really expecting something great, and I think it's gonna be more great. The appetizers are going to start now, and I'll give you more updates. Stay tuned. So here are the appetizers, spring rolls, we have some falafel here, and the pine nuts. It looks really delicious. Let's try it. It's actually very authentic spring roll, very tasty. I loved it. Try the falafel. I must tell you, Taj is actually excellent in food. Amazing, really amazing. I love it. Here we have the main course, which is the paneer pasanda steak. It came after almost 45 to 50 minutes, but I still enjoy the time because the live music and musician is really amazing. He's playing great songs. It is taking back to the 80s and 90s music, and I'm loving that. So I didn't mind the wait. Let's try this. Really nice. It has nice saffron flavor. It's amazing. So this is the rice noodles with mushroom side dish. It looks weird. Let's try it. It's okay. Little different in taste.
course I know Rajgir.
Not for North Indians at all.
Dedicated a song to
But yeah,
oh my god,
it's okay.
lovely.
I'm having my salad. This is an avocado and some green salad. I don't know exactly the name. It looks really different. I don't want to call it weird because so far the food was amazing, and I hope this salad is also gonna be amazing. So here is the palak and some bread. It's some sort of a steak. The name was complicated to be told. Let's try this. This is good. This is richer than the previous one. And there's a khichdi for the little one. So amazing, right? The food is, this one is good. For tonight, this is part of the desert. There were a lot of other deserts too. But I was so full that I had no space to try anymore. Since it's my favorite, it has a different weird name, but this is actually Indian kulfi. So let's try this. It tastes way better than what it looks like. It's really amazing. It's very nice. All the try.
Thank you very much. Here we go.
Hey, you joined. You joined.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and
I'll give it to you.
celebrations.
So here comes the end of this beautiful night. As I said, you have seen all the dishes and delicacies, the desserts. It was amazing. I don't know whether it was worth the price that we paid, but it was really an amazing night. I would say overall, I'm happy. Wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So now I'm gonna take you to the Winter Wonderland. Excited to see how it looks like. Come, look at this. It's my favorite spot in Taj Exotica. I loved it. It is taking me back to my childhood days. And right now it's midnight Christmas, and I'm here with my kids around me, and it's really a wonderful time. Wish you all a very happy and Merry Christmas. And yeah, you're having fun. Christmas, everyone. Today is the 25th and we are here at Taj Exotica sipping on some hot chocolate with marshmallow and enjoying our Christmas. I'm sure you all guys are also doing the same. Now we are heading towards some Christmas celebrations in the Taj Kids. Expecting some goodies for the kids and some activities related to Christmas. Stay tuned. Hey, we are here and the Santa is here. We are welcoming the Santa from the beach directly. And he's gonna go to the lobby. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Where is Aro? You wanna join there? So let's see what's in store in the Santa! Where is our gift? Where is our gift? Santa should be giving the gift!
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you! Yay! We got a gift!
Here you go.
Leela Krishna? Krishna, for you. For you. Look. Hey, take it. Yes. Why are you not dancing?
Everybody go.
Oh my God, it is too bad. No one has open sleigh. That. Are they dance? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Aroi. Why didn't you remove your slippers over there?
So here's the end of Taj Exotica Goa trip. It was a fantastic trip and we really enjoyed. We checked out just now, heading towards St. Regis, and I'll share more stories about that resort. Stay tuned. Come.
I can make so many.
Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
I can make so many crafts.
Bye bye.